In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a draft order invoice in your store dashboard. To get started, make sure you're already inside your Open Chrome tab with your store admin loaded. From here, go to the order section and then open drafts. This is the area where you can manually build an order before a customer completes payment, which is especially useful for custom requests, one-off products, negotiated pricing, or situations where you need a little more flexibility than a standard checkout provides. Once you're in drafts, move to the top right corner and click the Create Order button. This opens the order builder where you can begin putting together everything the customer needs on a single invoice. Now start adding the items for the order. If you're working with manual items, make sure each one is unique and clearly labeled so the customer can easily understand what they're being charged for. This is helpful when selling custom services, special products, or anything that isn't already listed in your regular catalog. As you add each item, review the quantity and pricing carefully to avoid mistakes before sending the invoice out. Next, apply any custom pricing or discounts that are needed. This step is useful if you've agreed to a special rate, want to offer a promotional reduction, or need to adjust the total for a specific situation. Be intentional here and double check that the discount reflects exactly what you want the customer to see, since this will affect the final amount on the invoice. After that, assign the order to the correct customer profile. Choosing the right target customer is important because it links the draft order to the intended recipient and helps make sure the invoice and payment link go to the right place. If your system includes multiple customer records, take an extra second to confirm you've selected the correct profile before moving on. Once the order details look right, click Send Invoice. Before you send it, customize the text message line so the customer receives a clear and professional message. Keep the wording simple and direct so they understand that this message includes their payment shortcut link and relates to their order. A clean message can improve response time and reduce confusion. Finally, dispatch the payment shortcut link. This gives the customer a fast, convenient path to complete payment without needing to go through a full shopping flow. Before you finish, do one last review of the order details, pricing, and recipient information